This is our world's smallest bathroom. I'm currently in the middle of wallpapering. We just got a sink attachment for the toilet. Watch this. This is so cool. The clean water comes through and you wash your hands and it goes into the bowl. So you flush with the gray water. I just think this is the coolest thing ever. Our toilet isn't very efficient, so we actually get a lot of water to wash our hands. Then it fills up the bowl. It stops when the bowl's full. Dum-de-dum. I swear it does stop. We're going to put a shelf back here. There's that huge gap. We could put whatever on there. Who knows? Something. Kids could pretty much even brush their teeth up here. And we could put toothbrushes on the shelf back there. So that is our cool new sink for our world's smallest bathroom. The kids are sleeping.